Yeah, hi. I'm trying to add printers and I'm having trouble doing it.
Oh, okay. You not to worry about that, sir. I'll the person who can help you out in situation. Can you please help me out, like what exact problem you're facing in order to add your printer?
Yeah, I go to the add a printer and it doesn't find anything
Okay, how you're trying to add a printer through your computer or through your cell phone?
through the computer.
Okay. Can you please help me out the model number of the printer, sir?
HP 2700. You are HP, right? Or doesn't it matter?
Yes, sir. Right,
See,
sir. You're talking to
okay,
each.
okay, sorry.
Right. I'm the level 3 printer expert, and my name is Richard Walton. If you want to make a note of it, you can. Please grab a piece of paper and pen and write down my information.
Okay, I'll do that. Richard Walton.
Yes, Walton,
Oh,
like the Waltons.
oh, okay,
You can get write down my direct line number if in case somehow the call got disconnected in between. You
okay,
can write down my direct line number. It's 1866
okay.
204
204
then 3014.
3014. Okay, got it.
So if in case somehow we got disconnected, sir, you have the direct line number to reach me back, okay?
Yep.
Right, so I would like to get and confirm, sir, is it a new printer or old printer that which you're facing the problem?
It's a new printer.
Okay, and what exact problem you're trying to get out and you're facing right now when you're trying to set it up? Like what exact problem? It's not connecting to Wi-Fi or it's not connecting to the computer. What exact problem you're facing?
When I connect, I'm using Windows 7, and when I do the add a printer, it doesn't show up.
It didn't show.
No.
Okay. You not to worry about that, sir. I'll the person who's gonna help you out in situation. So I request you to go ahead and do one thing. Let me go ahead and tell you what we need to do.
Okay.
There might be some drivers misconfiguration, right? What we need to do, we need to connect your computer to our secured server so that we can get properly install the drivers and we can go ahead and get the printer connected to your computer, okay?
Okay, that'll work. Yep.
Right, sir. So I request you to go to your computer first of all,
Okay, I'm there.
and I request you to go ahead and do one thing.
Okay.
Open up any of your browser
Okay.
and let me know what kind of browser it is.
That's Google Chrome.
Google Chrome. Have a look in the middle top of the screen. There might be, you can say, a bar where it says search or enter web address. Do you see that?
Yep.
Search Google or type a URL.
Yep. See it.
Okay. I want you to type in there www dot,
Yep.
then connect, like CONNECT, connect,
Okay.
then M as in Mary, Y as in Yankee, MY,
MY.
then so, like SERVER, so,
Wait a minute. Connect my SER. What?
V as in Victor,
Okay.
E as in Echo, R as in
Oh, connect my server. Okay, I got it.
give a period, like a dot,
Okay.
then NET,
NET. Okay, got it. Okay.
now hit enter and let me know what come up on the screen.
Okay, let's see. It says guest area. Please enter the password below.
Perfect. I want you to go ahead and put in the password. It's 18
Oops. 18
12
181292.
92.
Okay.
Right. Now hit go.
Okay.
Now, let me know what is coming up on the screen, sir, so that I can make sure you're in the right page.
It says connect to server, and then it gives me a choice: secure server 1, secure server 2,
Perfect.
secure server 3, and there's just 3 of them.
I want you to give a click and connect to Secure Server 2 as
2.
you're using a Windows computer.
Okay. Okay, I did that.
Right, now I request you to go ahead and do one thing.
Mm-hmm.
I request you to go ahead and have a look at the left bottom corner.
Okay, I got it.
And does it say Zenidesk.exe?
Yes, it does.
Right. Now I want you to double click on that. Open it up, please.
Okay. Okay.
Now let me know what comes up on the screen, sir.
Well, I assumed you wanted me to click on run, so I clicked on run. Okay.
Yes, sir. You need to suppose to click and run.
Yep. Okay, now it's pulled up a rather large window with my address, and then it says what's new in AnyDesk 7.0, and then install any desktop or AnyDesk. Do you want me to install it?
Yes, sir. Install it, please.
Okay, click on install. Okay, well, I got a bunch of options here. I guess I just accept all the options, huh? Accept and install. Okay, I did that. Okay, do you want to allow the program? Yes, I do.
Yes, sir. Give a click and yes.
Okay, let's see. I guess it's installed, yeah. And it took me to their website. It
Okay,
says,
now I request you to have a look in the right top
oh,
side.
wait a minute, I have to,
Now let me go ahead and give you some.
wait a minute, I think I have to close out this window. It took me to AnyDesk window. It says, welcome to AnyDesk version 7, but I think that's just a website. So let me,
Scroll it down, and get started.
okay, hang on a minute.
You need not to close it, sir. You're not.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I got it. I did.
Right, you're doing whatever your mind says, but what I'm providing the instructions, you're not following that. With this, we'll be talking to the whole day, and in the end, we'll not be going anywhere.
Okay.
So I request you to go ahead and do one thing. Scroll it down, and there'll be an option which says Get Started.
Okay, I clicked on that, yep.
You see that? Right, now you're back to the same screen, right?
Yep.
Now help me out with the 9-digit numbers. What are the 9-digit numbers?
Okay, 454,603,478.
I'm gonna repeat that for 3 in a set. It's 454
Yep.
603
Yep.
478.
Correct.
Right?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Now have a look in the right top side. Right, there is a little X sign by which you can close the window. Just below it, there'll be 4 lines. You see that?
Yep.
I want you to go ahead and do one thing. Give a click on these 4 lines and let me know what comes up on the screen.
It says, let's see, user interface, language, alias, choose alias. Then under that, miscellaneous. Okay, so what do I click? And then on the left-hand side, it has user interface, security, privacy, display, audio connection, capture, file transfer, recording, and printer. Should I click on printer?
Okay.
You want me to click on
So I
printer?
request you to give no. I request you to go ahead and give a click on security.
Okay, I did.
Once you're gonna go ahead and give a click on security, you'll be having you can see a few options, right? In the extreme top, it says unlock security settings, right?
Yes, it does. Yep. In red.
Give a click on that, then give a click on yes.
Okay. Mhm. Okay, I did.
Once you're gonna go ahead and give a click on that, now give a click on never show.
Oh, I see. Okay, I see.
Never show.
Okay.
Now just scroll it down a little bit. It says permission profile, right? Below it, it gives an option to set password.
Yes. Yep. I see that.
Give a click on set password.
Okay, all right.
Now put up the password there. It's 123,
Mm-hmm. Yep.
then 456.
Well, that's not a very good password.
Oh no, I haven't completed my words.
Okay.
Have some patience, please. It's 123, 456, then lowercase a as in alpha, then 7890.
Okay.
Again, in the confirm password, 123, 456, lowercase a, then 7890.
Okay, I did that.
Now give a click and confirm password.
It doesn't say confirm password. There's an apply down at the bottom.
Hit apply.
Okay.
Once you hit apply, you need to again leave the computer as it is, sir. What I'll be doing, I'll begin connecting the computer to the secured server. Okay.
Okay.
Is there anything coming up on the screen?
There was, and then it disappeared again. It had something about accepting the risks.
Okay, you can go and have a look here that I'm connected to the device. You can leave the mouse.
Okay.
You can check here that there's a cursor moving, right?
Yep.
So you can leave it as it is. Just give me a quick moment. So, which printer you have got?
HP 2700.
That's a new one, or you got a refurbished one?
Now that's a good question. I don't remember whether it was refurbished or brand new. I'm not sure.
Like how much you have paid for the printer, so that I can let you know whether it's the new one or...
Well, I got a good deal on it. It was in the box at a yard sale, and I paid, if I remember right, about $49 for it.
Well, then I believe that might be a refurbished one, possibly is there. Oh, does the computer belongs to you, or is it someone else's computer?
No, that's mine.
It's yours. Okay. I want to go ahead and get these information, sir. Like your first and the last name, first of all. What's your first and the last name?
Okay, first name George,
Okay.
last name Custer. My daughter actually put the thing together for me. The computer a couple of years ago.
Like CUSCR.
Yep.
Okay, just give me a quick moment. I believe you don't mind me calling you by your first name, George.
If you must.
Okay. So is the printer is connected through wire?
No, it's well, I'm hoping it's through the my Wi-Fi.
Okay. So you haven't got any kind of cable with the printer, right?
Do you mean did one come with the printer? No, it didn't.
Okay, you haven't got it. Okay.
I could go buy one, I suppose.
So let me go ahead and check.
Should I go buy one?
Let me go ahead and check it.
I looked.
No, I'm gonna go ahead.
I looked at the back of the printer and I didn't see any. I didn't see any place to connect a cable on the back of the printer.
Well, let me go ahead and tell you, sir, that this is a Wi-Fi printer. There's nothing wrong with it. Like it cannot be connected to the Wi-Fi. It's a Wi-Fi printer. So I'll be going ahead and checking it out for you. That what exact problem is messing up with your device.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay. That's why it's not going ahead and connecting. If the computer says that Karen PC, is it like is your daughter's name is
Yes.
Karen? Oh, okay. That's why I was confirming, like, who else uses the computer except the
Right.
me?
Well, obviously she used it when she put it together for me.
Okay.
So where are you located?
Oh, we are in Sunnyvale, California,
Oh,
sir, in the
oh,
headquarters.
that's cool.
right. Where are you?
Where am I? I'm in a small town in Montana.
Oh, okay. You're in Montana.
Mhm.
That's a quite a good place.
Yes, it is.
Have you got my direct line number?
I do. I wrote it down here. 204-3014.
Right. Perfect.
I didn't write down the extension though. Let me get the extension.
And the level 5 printer is worked. HP. Are you touching the mouse, sir?
Oh, was resting my hand on it. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to move it.
Oh, that's completely fine, sir. So let me know once you have written it down.
Oh, I already wrote it down. Yeah, no problem.
Okay, perfect. So I would like to go ahead and confirm that have you tried to get set up the printer through your Google Chrome?
No, I never tried to set it up through Google Chrome. I tried to follow the directions that came with the printer. Why would I want to use Google Chrome?
Okay, so have you... Right, let me go ahead and tell you, sir, if you will go ahead and go to HP website, it will automatically send some driver files to your cookie files. That's what I'm checking,
Oh,
whether you
okay.
have the driver files or not. Right, that's what I was checking. And how old is the computer and printer both? Like you are telling me you got a new printer, but how old is the computer?
Well, it's pretty old. It was used when she got it, and it's a. Let me look at the model number here. It's a ThinkPad T460. So I think it's what, about 7 or 8 years old, something like that.
Okay. Well, you're the lucky one that you have your daughter to go and help you out in these kind of in these kind of situations. Not every person is that much lucky.
Right.
Because you're getting so many customers, right? Whose children are not that much free to go ahead and help them out. So, like, does your daughter lives with you, or she
No, she
might
lives
have some
several
drivers to help?
hundred miles away. She lives in Illinois,
Oh, okay.
and that's a
She lives.
that's a trek to Montana.
Right, right.
I'm trying to think. Isn't Sunnyvale the place close to Stanford University? I can't remember.
Pardon?
My brother went to Stanford, and I was just wondering about that. Many years ago.
Okay.
Isn't it?
The Stanford
Yeah.
University, that is in Sandford.
Well, yeah,
Stanford. That is in Stanford,
but I thought it was
California.
close to.
Right, that is near to Palo Alto.
Right.
Right, right.
I'm trying to think. Isn't that close to Sunnyvale too? Isn't Sunnyvale the big? Where they had the big.
Well, it's nearly not that much. That's just 15.2 miles away from us.
Right. So you take I-76 up the coast there. Is that what it is?
Yes, sir. Let me go ahead and tell you it's near to Palo Alto, right? So we are near to Palo Alto.
That's what I thought. Yeah, that was a big. They did a lot of. I read a little history of the the whole development of Hewlett Packard. The two guys, Hewlett and Packard, who got together and built that company. It was really quite interesting. But that famous route up the west coast of California, I-76, that runs up to, and then if you take I-40 east from Portland, that'll take you to Montana. Did you ever take that?
Right.
Route up the
Have you
I-76? You ever take that up the coast? That's really a nice trip.
Right, sir. I took that route.
And then, of
several
course,
times.
there's the train that goes up the west coast. Very famous train. It's the
Well, I don't like.
You don't-
I
you
can't
don't
tell
like-
anything about that 'cause I never.
you don't like trains. What's wrong with you? Listen.
I'm not habitual.
I am a huge
travel.
train fan. Right. A huge train fan. Yeah.
Well, I completely understand that, sir. But let me go ahead and tell you, I hardly traveled in train nearly 2 times in my entire life.
Well, shame on you. I guess you're not old enough. I'm much older than you are, apparently.
Well, I'm just 28.
Well, see, I'm 75.
So you can have an idea. There's nothing to shame about that.
Well, the other if you ever get a chance, you must take the train up the
Uh-huh.
west coast. Let me think. It's
Sure, Sal.
It's called the Empire Builder, and it runs from Los Angeles to Seattle. Very nice train.
Okay. So what I'll be doing here, sir, for you can go ahead and have a look here. That I'm going ahead and trying to install the drivers directly from the HP.com.
Okay.
So I request you to please stay with the call. Do not mind the silence. It's going to take a few minutes, like next 3 to 4 minutes. And what I have to do, I have to put the call on hold for
Okay.
time. Okay. So do not mind the silence. It's going to take 4 to 5 minutes of your precious time.
Well, my time isn't. Listen,
And if in case I'm having
my
a
time isn't
disconnect-
precious anymore.
Okay. Well, each and every customer's time is precious.
Okay.
Right, sir. I request you not to touch the computer till
Okay.
the time. Okay. Just leave it as it is, and simply go ahead and have a good glass of whiskey or time.
Okay.
Right. So I'm gonna put the connected. You have
Gotcha. Okay.
they show the
Okay.
right.
It's interesting, I closed out AnyDesk and he's still got that music playing. Huh. So that was interesting. Clearly the guy's not in Sunnyvale because I-76 runs nowhere near California, and the Empire Builder certainly doesn't go up and down the west coast of California. So I have no idea what the guy was doing there. But anyway, he's disconnected. So we'll see if he calls me back. That would be interesting to know. Anyway, that's enough of that for today. Got tired of the music.